friends, happy New Year. It is crazy that it is New Year's Eve, but I wanted to do this really funny thing with you all. I've seen it on TikTok and other places, and this is a viral foundation hack to make your face look flawless. And like I said in the title, it's a little bit cringeworthy, so y'all bear with me. The first thing I want to tell y'all is that I have completely washed my hands and this makeup brush so that you know that it's clean. So if you are hopping on, say hello. And y'all, this is crazy. It's like gone viral, it's all over the place, but I want y'all to be the judge of it. So I don't have anything on my face. I have just put on primer, and that is it. So what I'm gonna do, I can't believe I'm gonna do this on video. This is so gross. Okay, so my hands are clean. You're gonna take a full coverage foundation. Okay, here's my foundation. Hey Karen. Oh my God, this is so disgusting. And what this person did that I saw on the TikTok, takes a clean makeup brush, warms it up on her hand, and literally does this. But wait, it is gonna get worse, y'all. It's definitely gonna get worse. But I promise it works. Then, I have to move the comments. Then she takes her freaking hands, oh, this is gross to be out, and does her foundation. Now y'all know I love to use makeup brushes. I have quite the collection. So this is really, really gross to me and really interesting. But y'all just wait till you see the end coverage, because y'all saw how red and broke out and splotchy my face is. I really wish I had brought a mirror in here, because looking in the phone isn't really working for me. Okay, so that's the first step. Now I have foundation on my hands, which is gross. Can y'all believe I'm doing this? I want to know, do you use your hands and fingers to put your foundation on? I want you to tell me in the comments. Let me know. Okay. I mean, my face is looking pretty flawless, except for this one broke out spot. But we're going to fix it. Don't you worry. We're going to fix it. Next step up, you're going to take a beauty blender. Now, y'all know, most of y'all probably know, if you've watched me before, a beauty blender works best when it is slightly damp. But I'm not going to put this one in water. I'm actually going to take the mineral spray, and it has calcium, magnesium, zinc. I don't know what the CU abbreviation is. Does anybody know what that is? CU? So it has different types of vitamin B and B6. I'm going to spray this part on my beauty blender to dampen the beauty blender. I'm just going to kind of let this sit for a second. And then we're going to go back in with my CC cream, and we're going to like blot it in with this beauty blender that now has mineral spray on it. You could also use a setting spray. I like the mineral spray because most people are actually magnesium deficient. Did y'all know that? So I like that it has extra minerals in it to, you can use it anytime during the day, but I like it to set my makeup, and I like the way it smells. And oh my God, Amanda, you have to go back and watch the beginning of this, because I put foundation on with my fingers and it was gross. Okay, so now I'm going to take the CC cream, and I'm layering this with the full coverage foundation that I just used. And what you're going to do with the beauty blender, so this is a beauty blender that is dampened with the mineral spray. You can use a setting spray, you can use water, And you're just gonna do this bouncing motion called stippling all over your face, and you're going to layer this foundation. I have this teeny tiny mirror beside me. I need to go to the eye doctor. I need glasses. I can't see. I'm getting old and I can't see. So what do y'all think? Like, would y'all try this? Tell me, do you use your finger, or do you use a beauty blender, or do you use brushes to put on your foundation? Because this is cringeworthy to me, but it works. I don't know if it's because of the heat of your hands or your fingers or what, but it freaking works. Okay. I'm not old. How old are you, if you mind me asking? I am 39 years old. And you're sweet. Okay, that's not bad. What do y'all think? If you didn't watch the beginning, go back and watch the beginning. I used full coverage foundation on my hand. I swirled it with a makeup brush. I slid it on my face. I rubbed it in with my hands and it got all over the place. Gross. Then I sprayed a beauty blender with a mineral spray. Then went in with the CC cream and did that. So my foundation, I feel like, is looking pretty flawless. So it might be cringeworthy, but I'm telling y'all, it freaking works. I can't believe I just did a live video with that. Don't forget, if you do use your hands, make sure you always wash your hands before you put your foundation on, because you don't want to spread bacteria and germs and everything like that all over you. So that is it. I want to know, if y'all decide to try this with whatever foundation you use, and you normally use a beauty blender, I can't say that, a beauty blender or a brush, try it with your hands like I did and let me know, what do you think? I want to know what you think. But I'm fixing to go do the rest of my makeup, and I hope y'all have a good New Year's Eve. I'm sure I'll be asleep by 10 o'clock, but I will talk to y'all later.